Hi, in this video we are going to talk about how we can back up the power for PoE switch. Here we got the DIN mount PoE switch, and this is the access point is connecting to this switch, and also we got the IP camera connecting to this switch. This right switch is supplying the power for these two equipment, so there's no need for external power source for the camera and the access point. We also can connect this VoIP phone to the switch if you supply both power and data to this VoIP phone. This is the power source for this PoE switch. You can see the power source is being separated from the switch. The reason is because it can reduce the temperature inside the switch, so it can make the whole system more reliable. But no matter how reliable this power source could be, if the AC power just goes down, we are going to lose the whole system, right? So the fair solution is we can use this battery to back up the power. But if we use the battery, we also need to have some kind of charge to keep charging the battery. So when the AC power is lost, it needs to switch to the battery. It's not convenient. Is there any solution? We can just use the PoE power to back up the whole system. Okay, let's move to the center. This is the 60 watt high power PoE switch. Totally we got a PoE port. And the port number 2 is connecting to the switch from the edge. You can see there's only indicators on, the power indicators off. That means this switch only provides the data exchange with the switch. This makes sense, right? When two switches working together, they only supply the data but no power. Okay, now let's just switch off the power, AC power for the edge switch and see what will happen. Let me just turn it off. Okay. Now the power is off. Let's just move back to the switch and see what will happen. You need to wait for a while. Okay, now we can see the power indicates on. That means now the edge switch loses the power, and this front switch supplies both power and data to the edge switch. Okay, now also let's move to the edge switch. You can see the power supply is off now, but the switch is still working. Everything just back on light. The thing is, this switch has one feature. It's called PoE power. I mean, it can be powered by another switch or PoE injector. The port number A can take the power from another switch or PoE injector. So once I switch off the AC power supply, then we got the PoE power from the edge. That's the one way to back up the power by using the PoE. Okay, now I can turn it on. There's no change. I turn on, and the power supply will take over. So we still see in the live video. This is the different way, not using the battery, but using the PoE power to back up the edge power switch. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you have any question, please post in the comment section below. See you next time.